Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 5th. Subject is science. Chapter number 4, Forces and Machines. Written work part 4, and I'm your teacher Sameem Jafri. Now we will do the written work. So students, open your copies. Prepare your page by mentioning the date and serial number. Draw margin lines. Now start writing. Give the heading of chapter number 4, Forces and Machines. Contents: words meanings 6, short question answers 5, long question answers 3. Exercise number first, choose the correct answer 10, fill in the blanks 8, write tick or cross 6, match the columns 6, draw the finishing line. Now prepare the next page. Give the heading of chapter number 4, Forces and Machines. We will now do the words meaning. So draw a line between your page. Words meanings. Number first is force. Force means जोर या ताकत. Number second, resist. Resist means मुजाहिमत करना या रोकना. Number 3 is plain. Plain means हमवार या यकसां. Number 4th, rough. Rough means खुरदरा. Number 5th, interlocks. Interlocks means बाहम या एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ. Number 6th is jerk. Jerk means झटका देना. Now draw the finishing line. Now start doing your short question answers from the next page. Question number 1, define the following. Number first is friction. Number second, inertia. Number third, gravitational force. Now give the heading of friction. The force that opposes the motion of an object is called friction. Inertia. Inertia is the tendency of the body to resist a change in its state of rest. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe due to their masses. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Weight is the gravitational force of earth on an object. Number second, mass is the constant quantity and does not change with the change of position or location. Weight is the variable quantity and changes with the change in position or location. Number third, mass is measured in kilogram. Weight is measured in Newton N. Now draw finishing line. Question number 5. Define balanced and unbalanced forces. Answer. Give the heading of balanced force. Balanced forces are equal in amount but act in opposite directions. For example, in tug of war, if both sides of person exerts equal force, these forces will cancel the effect of each other and no one will be the winner. Now give the heading of unbalanced force. Unbalanced forces are not equal in amount. Sometimes they act in opposite direction. For example, if one side of the tug of war, the force is greater, the match will be won by the team with larger force. Now draw the finishing line. Start doing long question answers from the next page. Question number 1. Write down the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Answer. Give the heading of advantages of friction. Point number 1. You could not walk without the friction between your shoes and the ground. Number 2. Pencils requires friction for writing. Friction produced between pencil and paper results in writing. Number 3. Your car would not start moving without friction between tires and ground. Number 4. We cannot fix the nail in the wood if there is no friction. Now give the heading of disadvantages of friction. Number first point, it produces heat in various parts of machines which waste some useful energy. Second, it opposes the motion and therefore we have to use extra energy to perform the required motion. Third, friction produces noise in machines. Fourth, sole of shoes and surface of tires are worn out because of friction. Draw the finishing line. Question number 2. What are the simple machines? Explain any three of them. Answer. Give the heading of simple machines. Simple machines are devices that can make a tough job easier by enabling a person to apply less force. Types. Now give the heading of types of simple machines. There are different types of simple machines. Three of them are discussed below. Number first, give the heading of lever. A type of simple machine that consists of a rigid bar pivoted at a fixed hinge called fulcrum is known as lever. Example, seesaw, wheels, hammer, etc. Now draw the diagram of push cart showing the force you apply, force you produce, and fulcrum. Number second, give the heading of wedge. Number first point, wedge is a simple machine made up of two inclined planes put together. Second, these two planes meet and form a sharp edge. Number third, a wedge is a triangular shaped tool used to separate two objects or portions of an object. Now draw the diagram of a wedge. Number third, give the heading of inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat and sloping surface used to move heavy objects up and down by applying less force. Now draw a diagram showing the load and force. Draw finishing line. Question number 3. Describe all kinds of lever with suitable examples. Answer. A simple lever is composed of three parts. Number first, load, weight. Number second, effort, applied force. Third, fulcrum, a point which allow to rotate the rigid bar. Now give the heading of kinds of lever. Lever due to position of fulcrum is divided into three kinds. Number first kind of lever, heading दे दें इसकी. In this case, fulcrum is at the center of load and effort. Examples, seesaw, hammer, scissor. Now draw the diagram of a scissor showing the effort, fulcrum and load. This is the example of first class of lever. Second kind of lever, give the heading of second kind of lever. In this case, load is in the center of fulcrum and effort. Examples, wheel, barrow and nutcracker, etc. Draw the diagram of a nutcracker. Now give the heading of third kind of lever. In this case, effort is at the center of fulcrum and load. Examples, baseball bat, tweezers, etc. Now draw the diagram of a tweezer and also label it. Draw a finishing line. Now start writing exercises from the next page. Number first is choose the correct answer. Motion is opposed by A. Gravity, B. Friction, C. Inertia, D. Weight. The correct option is friction. Number second, which of the following force depends on the masses of the objects? Number A. Gravitational, B. Balanced, C. Unbalanced, D. Friction. The answer is gravitational. Number third, balanced force act on a body in opposite direction and their strength is A. Equal, B. Unequal, C. Opposite, D. Alternate. The answer is equal. Number fourth, which of the following game is an example of balanced and unbalanced forces? A. Hide and seek, B. Tug of war, C. Tennis ball, D. Football. The answer is tug of war. Number fifth, which of the following is second kind of lever? A. The pincer, B. The pilers, C. The paddle, D. Stapler. Answer is stapler. Number 6. An example of third kind of lever is A. Manual broom, B. Wheelbarrow, C. Nail clipper, D. Hammer claw. The answer is manual broom. Number 7. In order to produce a change in motion, a force must be A. Balanced force, B. Unbalanced force, C. Frictional force, D. Gravitational force. The answer is unbalanced force. 8. One way to increase friction is to use A. Water, B. Oil, C. Wax, D. Sand. The answer is sand. Ninth, the main cause of Earth rotation around the Sun is A. Magnetism, B. Electricity, C. Friction, D. Gravitational force. The answer is gravitational force. 10th, friction help us to A. Reading, B. Writing, C. Thinking, D. Seeing. The answer is writing. Now draw the finishing line. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Number first point, all natural surfaces looks dash to our eyes, plain. Number second, rubber needs dash to erase pencil words, friction. Number third, there are dash natural forces, 4. Number fourth, force of gravity is always dash, attractive. Number fifth, the first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. Number 6, an inclined plane is also known as dash ramp. Number 7, a simple lever is composed of dash parts, 3. Number 8, dash is a point which allows to rotate the rigid bar, fulcrum. Now draw the finishing line. Number 3, right tick or cross. Number 1, all natural surfaces are rough, cross. Number 2, force of gravity was discovered by Isaac Newton in 1686, tick. Third, in space, objects have weight, cross. Fourth, a rocket moves upward only when its downward force is greater than its upward force, cross. Number 5, machine is judged by its mechanical advantages, tick. Number 6, third kind of lever helps us to carry heavy loads, tick. Now draw the finishing line. Number 4, match the columns. Draw a line between your page. Column A, column B, correct options. Number 1, scissors, first kind of lever. Number 2, bottle opener, second kind of lever. Number 3, fishing tool, third kind of lever. Number 4, mass, constant quantity. Number 5, weight, variable quantity. Number 6, earth, gravitational force. Draw the finishing line. Now this is the end of your written work of chapter number 4. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.